we have for lunch today? Looks like pizza with a crispy cheese crust. Yummy. Wow, what do we have here? French fries. Looks like we're going to be watching movies today. We still need to get some cola in bags.
Oops, I spilled some cornflakes. I'll clean them up now. Oh. Looks like that was a bad idea.
This is our node module. This module leads to various other modules. For example, the toilet, kitchen, bathroom, entertainment modules with striptease, and the recreation room. Write in the comments which room you want me to show you in more detail.
3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of Crew 12, delivering new explorers to the International Space Station.
We're on our way to orbit. Good job, everybody.
Dragon is 10 meters from station, lining up for a smooth dock.
Thrust capture confirmed.
Hard capture complete. Welcome to the...
You're cleared farther in. Alignment is beautiful.
Copy that, station. Bringing her home.
And hard capture confirmed.
Yes, that feels good.
Welcome aboard, folks.
Incredible view, isn't it?
Never gets old.